News now, viewers, on the TMC implosion. 19 rebel Trinamool Congress MPs have written a formal letter to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla seeking permission to form a separate parliamentary group in the Lok Sabha. In the letter, the rebel lawmakers have also expressed their desire to align with the NDA. This major development comes amid a deepening internal crisis within the Trinamool Congress following the party's poor performance in the recent West Bengal Assembly election. The move is now being seen as a significant rebellion against Mamata Banerjee's leadership and could have far-reaching implications for the political landscape in West Bengal as well as the strength of opposition parties in parliament. With that, let's take a look at the rebel MPs and who they are. Why did they rebel against Mamata Banerjee? Starting with Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar. She was one of the initial leaders of the Trinamool Congress to have spoken publicly against Mamata Banerjee and resigned from all party positions. She was the former chief whip of TMC in Lok Sabha. We're also looking at Dr. Sharmila Sarkar. She is the Bardhaman Purba MP of Lok Sabha from the Trinamool Congress. Shatabdi Roy is a Birbhum MP. Lok Sabha. Prasoon Bandyopadhyay is a Havda MP, Lok Sabha again. Bapi Haldar, Mathura Pur TMC Lok Sabha MP. And we have Jagdish Barma Basuna, who is the Cooch Behar Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament. These are the 6, 19 of them have put in signatures to rebel. Shiny Ghosh, Jadavpur Member of Parliament, very close to Mahua Moitra, a loyalist of Mamata Banerjee, also decided to rebel against Mamata. Asit Kumar Mal, the Bolpur MP, Arup Bankura TMC MP, Khalilur Rahman, Murshidabad MP, Abu Tahir Khan is the Murshidabad. There's some mistake there, we'll fix that. Rachna Banerjee is a Hooghly Lok Sabha Member of Parliament. Alright, moving ahead to some more names. Yusuf Pathan is the Berhampur Member of Parliament. He's also rebelled, drawing criticism from several, including Kirti Azad, hate out at Yusuf Pathan, Mahua Moitra, Shatrughan Sinha, all have attacked Yusuf Pathan. Mitali Bagh, Arambagh MP of TMC. Mala Roy is the Kolkata South MP. Partha Bhaumik, Barakpur MP. June Malia is the Midnapur MP. Deepak Adhikari, Ghatal MP. And Kalipada Soren, Jhargram Member of Parliament. All of them among the 19 breakaway members of Parliament from the Trinamool Congress, putting Mamata Banerjee's party in a state of implosion. So those are the names that we are looking at. And now Renik is joining us on this. Renik, 19 members of Parliament Trinamool Congress के अब नाम भी सामने आ गए हैं. लोकसभा स्पीकर को लेटर लिखा गया है. कब इनकी मीटिंग है स्पीकर के साथ?
देखिए, लोकसभा स्पीकर को जो चिट्ठी भेजा गया है उसमें जो 19 सांसद का नाम है उसका सिग्नेचर जो है वो एकदम सामने आ चुका है, जिसमें काकुली घोष दस्तीदार, शताब्दी रॉय, बापी हालदार, डॉक्टर शर्मिला सरकार, प्रशांत बनर्जी, जगदीश कुमार वर्मा, अशोक कुमार माल, अरूप चक्रवर्ती, रचना बनर्जी, शायनी घोष, अबू ताहिर खान, यूसुफ पठान, मिताली बाग का नाम सामने आ रहा है। उसके साथ ही कालीपद सोरेन, दीपक अधिकारी, जून मालिया, पार्थ भौमिक का नाम भी सामने आ रहा है। तो ये जो 19 सांसद है उनकी तरफ से स्पीकर को चिट्ठी भेजा गया है, जिसमें इनकी तरफ से कहा गया है कि ये लोग अलग बैठना चाह रहे हैं और उसके साथ साथ ही एनडीए को ये लोग समर्थन करेंगे, ऐसा काकोली घोष की तरफ से कहा गया है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस के अंदर का जो सिचुएशन, उस सिचुएशन को देखते हुए ये डिसीजन जो है ये रेबल एमपीज की तरफ से लिया गया है, ऐसा चीफ व्हिप काकोली घोष की तरफ से कहा गया है। और उसके साथ साथ ही ये भी कहा गया है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस का अंदर में बात करने का जगह नहीं था, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के अंदर पर वो लोग उसका काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और इसी वजह से वो लोग अलग एनडीए को सपोर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है। मगर ये जो 19 एमपी का नाम सामने आ रहा है उसमें सबसे महत्वपूर्ण नाम है शायनी घोष, क्योंकि देखिए जिस टाइम पर ये चिट्ठी दिया गया था उस टाइम पर ही तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से नया कमेटी का डिक्लेरेशन भी दिया गया था, जिसमें यूथ तृणमूल कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट किया गया था शायनी घोष को। वही शायनी घोष की तरफ से अभी रेबल कैंप पर सिग्नेचर जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। तो इसी जगह से एक सवाल आ रहा है कि शायनी घोष जो रेबल कैंप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, ये इंफॉर्मेशन तृणमूल कांग्रेस सुप्रीमो के पास था कि नहीं था, और उसके साथ साथ ही अगर देखा जाए तो रचना बनर्जी, दीपक अधिकारी, यूसुफ पठान जैसे जो स्टार कैंडिडेट था, वो स्टार कैंडिडेट भी अभी ममता बनर्जी को छोड़ते हुए नजर आए हैं। यूसुफ पठान को पहली बार 2024 में चुनाव में कैंडिडेट किया था तृणमूल कांग्रेस। क्रिकेटर यूसुफ पठान, उनकी तरफ से भी अभी ममता बनर्जी के खिलाफ जाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। दूसरी तरफ जून मालिया और उसके साथ पार्थ भौमिक, इनका नाम भी सामने आ रहा है। जिस पार्थ भौमिक को अर्जुन सिंह के खिलाफ पर बैरकपुर से कैंडिडेट किया गया था, वो पार्थ भौमिक भी अभी रेबल कैंप जो है वो ज्वाइन किए हैं। जो लगातार ममता बनर्जी के करीब रहते हुए नजर आए हैं, वो अभी ममता बनर्जी को छोड़ते हुए नजर आए हैं। मगर सबसे महत्वपूर्ण नाम है माला रॉय, क्योंकि देखिए ममता बनर्जी का जो लेबर कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी, उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में माला रॉय कैंडिडेट है और माला रॉय के तरफ से माला रॉय ममता बनर्जी का बहुत ही करीबी था और माला रॉय अभी रेबल कैंप जो ज्वाइन किया है, इसको लेकर भी अभी पॉलिटिकल चर्चा जो है वो चल रहा है।
जी रहने का बने रहे हमारे साथ व्यूअर्स। Let's also go across for a discussion with Rajalakshmi Joshi joining us on this. Rajalakshmi, what really can Mamata now do to contain splitting her party into two?
Very good afternoon. And yes, Mamata Banerjee is being faced with a very dire situation right now. And obviously, you know, when she sees that legislative members and members of parliament, even in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, they're all leaving her one by one. And this entire group of 19 MPs right now, which was till today, it was just a speculation because people were not really sure of the list. But today, this entire list is out in the open. So now, this is not speculation anymore. And it's not as if they are joining the BJP, but very clearly they are not happy. Those 19 MPs are not happy with the kind of leadership in the TMC. So a lot of them, they are claiming that they are okay with Mamata Banerjee as the leader. So they do respect her as a leader, but they are not happy with the fact that Mr. Abhishek Banerjee is given this undue importance and the kind of dictatorial attitude that both Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee have been showing. So this is the situation, and even now, Ms. Mamata Banerjee is not showing any kind of regret or repentance about the kind of approach that she's had in the past to a lot of issues. So I think that she needs to at least have a kind of a talk with them and speak about how, or introspect into what went wrong and try to mend things instead of having an arrogant attitude even now. So that is the kind of an attitude right now. Calling them traitors, calling them names is not going to help. But instead, maybe she could try to understand what is the reason why all these people are going against her. Because it's not just one or two members, it's almost the entire party now. So it's like the whole party is disintegrating. So I think that she definitely needs to introspect. They need to have a very serious discussion and maybe try to mend things. And without that, I don't think anything is possible.
It's also interesting, Rajalakshmi, how all of these MPs and even MLAs who have, split, joined the rebel camp, decided to do that only after the Trinamool Congress lost the election.
Yes, very true. Now, very frankly, the only binding force in the TMC was the power, and there was nothing else that was binding because there's no real ideology in the party. If you look at it earlier, it was about defeating the left parties, and now it's about defeating the BJP. So that objective is gone. Defeating the BJP is gone. They have lost the power. So what else is the ideology? They don't have an ideology, even like the left parties, who actually still today, a lot of people still stick with the left parties because they have an ideology. Have an ideology of its own. So that's the reason why. And another thing is that, like I said, even the senior leaders of the TMC who are very loyal to Ms. Mamata Banerjee, they find themselves being sidelined by Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. So there is no reason for them to stick around because they have lost power. They are not going to have any political future in the party. So then they don't see any reason. Yes, I do understand that in other political parties like the BJP, you've seen how people have stuck around even though they've had very bad performances in the past. Like in the BJP in West Bengal, they have risen from 0 to 3 to 77. So with a lot of patience and determination, they have risen. So it was not as if they didn't have power, so they just switched sides. But the same thing does not happen in the TMC because they don't have ideology. Whereas in the BJP, there was a strong ideology and they believed in it, and that's why they waited and they worked their way to find power. So now, in the TMC, the minute they lost power, all these people have jumped ship. So because that was the only reason that was holding them together. So
Rajalakshmi,
otherwise-
also very quickly, please answer me if you see TMC and Congress coming together again.
Very frankly, I think that you can never say never in politics. So it could definitely be a possibility because very frankly, their vote banks are the same. And in fact, they could join forces and they could join strengths. But at the same time, Ms. Mamata Banerjee will lose her identity, and there is a huge possibility that Congress itself may be split vertically because there are a lot of people, especially in West Bengal Congress, who are not definitely on the same page as Mamata Banerjee. So they definitely can't see eye to eye. Like, for example, Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has been very vocal, very vociferously has been opposing everything that Mamata Banerjee has been doing. So obviously, I don't think that people like him will take very kindly to this kind of a development. So there is a possibility that there might be a split there again in the Congress as well. So that is also a possibility.
All right, sure. Rajalakshmi, thank you very much for joining us on this. And now, viewers, we're getting in news on the Amarnath Yatra.